Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by selecting the object or objects you intend to texture. This targets where the material will go. Open the Material Manager and create a new material immediately, because Cinema 4D applies only created materials. Double-click that material to expose channels, color, reflectance, transparency, and enable the ones you need. Once done, adjust base properties like roughness, specular, and luminance so the material behaves correctly under render lighting. Drag the material directly onto the object or onto the object's texture tag in the Object Manager to assign it. If stretching appears, open UV Edit or Body Paint to unwrap or tweak UV islands for correct placement. Make sure to choose an appropriate projection mode: UV for custom maps, flat for planar surfaces, cylindrical or spherical for rounded forms. Then fine-tune tiling, offset, and rotation in the tag, so the texture aligns perfectly with geometry and lighting. Render a small region or use the interactive render region to preview how the material reads in scene. This saves time versus full renders. If you see seams or odd shading, inspect normal maps, alpha channels, and reflection roughness settings. Wrong normal orientation or alpha can cause artifacts. Make sure projection and UVs match, and bake textures when procedural results need consistency. If problems persist, reset the texture tag projection and reapply the material to refresh mapping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.